In this practice, you will set up options for several different aspects of the AutoCAD software and save the settings in a profile. In any open drawing, open the Options dialog box, Application menu, Options, and select the Profiles tab. Note the current profile and select it in the list. Click Add to List. Name this profile General with the description General Default Settings. Click Apply and Close. Click Add to List. Name this profile Special with the description My Preferences. Click Apply and Close. Select the special profile in the list and click Set Current. Any changes that you now make in the Options dialog box are saved in this profile. In the Display tab, change the crosshair size to 20. In the Window Elements area, click Colors. Set the following. In the Context area, select Command Line. In the Interface Element area, select Active Prompt Background. Expand the color drop-down list and select blue. In the Interface Element area, select Active Prompt Text. Expand the color drop-down list and select white. Click Apply and Close. In the Open and Save tab, in the File Safety Precautions area, set Automatic Save to 15 and clear the Create Backup Copy with each save option. In the Files tab, expand Template Settings. Expand default template file name for QNew. Select None, and then click Browse. Set it to AEC-Imperial in the Practice Files folder. Click OK to close the Options dialog box. Note the changes on the screen. The crosshairs has become big and the command line is a blue band with white text. Open the Options dialog box again. In the Profiles tab, select the General profile and click Set Current. Look in the other tabs and verify that the general settings have been restored. Click OK to close the Options dialog box. Note the changes on the screen. Open Office-M1 Drawing. Start the Move command. Select all of the objects in the model. Note how they are all highlighted in blue. Press Escape to cancel the command. Open the Options dialog box. Click the Selection tab. Note that the Selection Effect color displays default blue color. Expand the Selection Effect color drop-down list and select red. Click OK. Start the Move command. Select all of the objects in the model. Note how they all turn red. Click the base point near the bottom left corner of the model and move it to the right. Press Escape to cancel the command. Close the drawing without saving.